What up everybody, it's your boy Arshan back with the fourth video. As you guys can see, I had brought a Crompton white parrot for me. Here now you guys can see this. Wow, nice parrot in white color. You guys cannot see properly because of sunlight. You guys can see this? A pretty nice parrot. Me too. Me too. If it be a parrot like a female or male, this one is the male one. Me too. Me too. So here you guys can see from back. It is very small, not too big. It's like a small one. Let's see from inside. So guys, you guys can see this. He's looking. Where is the parrot? In the video, you guys cannot see this. Is here? Hey parrot. Me too. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If don't, please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button down below. Bye guys. Peace out.